Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to upgrade our shop air compressor. We've been saving up for a while here at Cougar House so we can get a new Cougar House Fab air compressor. So we went over to the Tractor Supply in town and we picked up an Ingersoll Rand 80-gallon 2-stage 5.5 horsepower air compressor, because the one we're using now is just a 30-gallon single pump Husky air compressor, and it's not enough to do what we're doing here, especially using our plasma table and all of our shop equipment. It's only really meant for a hobbyist or for running like a nail gun or something like that for like a home improvement project. So we're gonna go over to the Tractor Supply store and pick that up in the back of the Ram here, and then we'll get that unloaded and put behind the garage so it's ready to be hooked up. And then we'll hook up a couple air system parts we bought. With it, we bought an air water separator, an air dryer that we can have that will be dedicated to the plasma table, that will be at the other end before the line goes from it into the plasma torch itself for the table. And then we also got some line holders so we can hook up the rest of the rapid air line to go across there and have that dedicated line for it. And yeah, we got a lot to do, so let's get started, guys. Guys, James and I just got finished up at Tractor Supply here. Got the compressor loaded up. Too bad they won't, bring the forklift over to unload. That'd be kind of nice. So now we're gonna get ourselves back to Cougar House. So let's go. Shop, guys. James is backing up the Ram to alongside the back of the garage there, and then his friend Dan's going to come over and help us unload this compressor. So let's get this compressor unloaded and set up. That finishes up this afternoon, guys. We got the FJ Cruiser given to Rick early this morning, and he was super happy with that. And then we went over and picked up our new Ingersoll Rand 80-gallon 2-stage air compressor, which is quite a good shop upgrade for, you know, our plasma table and all of our shop equipment. We really need that constant 100 psi to be able to run the table efficiently. So that'll be super awesome to be able to have that, and then the table will have the air it needs and we don't ever have to worry about that. So it'll just work great, and then we just need to get plasma tips to be able to change out on the machine as we need to change them. And then we'll get our tent kind of taken apart in the backyard. That I just had a 10 by 20 tent that I had my compressor in, and we'll build a small, like 8 by 8 compressor shed to be able to store a few things in, some engine stands, you know, the cherry picker, the transmission jack, stuff like that. And then also have oil storage in there as well to put that pallet in. We got a few weeks ago to be able to put our 4 55-gallon oil drums on for oil, coolant, and antifreeze. Or antifreeze is coolant, right? But yeah, so that'll be a pretty cool upgrade that we'll do in the next few weeks here, but at least we can get the compressor wired in the next couple episodes here and get that fully tapped into the air system of the shop. So we got that power to harness finally. And then we'll start cutting out the parts for Eric's 4-link kit, and I'm going to start cutting out parts at the same time for the 5th Gen 4, and I know you guys are pretty excited for us to get back on that, so that'll be pretty fun. But until then, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Please hit the bell up there in the corner so that way every time I upload you guys get a notification. You know, YouTube's always changing this stuff. And please leave a comment, let us know what you think of the compressor, guys. We think it's going to be a pretty neat upgrade to have for the shop. And then thank you guys so much for your constant support as always. Just like I'm always saying, guys, thank you so much. And then if you guys like what we do, you like Cougar House Garage, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/Cougar House Garage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. We'll catch you guys there. Follow along with all the crazy projects, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.